Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss question answers of the chapter Study of Plants. Now look in your book and try to understand the concepts. Which of the following does not have a taproot? Taproot is present in the beans. Beans होती दालें, pulses. टी चाय की पत्तियों में भी है. पीपल में भी टैप रूट है. तो फाइब्रस रूट प्रेजेंट इन दी ग्रास, वीट, मेज. दी इज कवर्ड with the pollen grains. Anther is covered with the pollen grains. Pollen grains are present in the anther. The outer hard covering of the seeds is known as seed coat. It is different in color in different kind of seeds. The leaf that can grow into a new plant. तो किस प्लांट की बच्चों लीफ न्यू प्लांट को ग्रो कर पाएगी? यस, याद करो अपना वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन, ब्रायोफिल्लम. A flat broad part of the leaf is called as leaf blade. The broad part of the leaf is known as leaf blade or leaf lamina. Hold a plant firmly to the ground. Which one hold the plant firmly to the ground? Roots. Swollen head at the top of the stamen is known as anther. क्या कहेंगे बच्चों इसको हम लोग? Anther. Next one, the plant having green soft stem which is spread over the ground, known as creepers. Such kind of plants are known as creepers. Got it? The of the flower receive pollen grains for fertilization. Which part of the flower receive the pollen grains? Stigma. Stigma receive the pollen grains during fertilization. Now produced by the flowering plants to grow into new plant. Yes, which one grow into new plant? Seeds. Plants produce seeds to grow a new plant. Got it? Now the female part of the plant is the carpel. Female part of the plant is the carpel. Next, the process of development of a seed into seedling. The process of development of the seed into seedling. This process is known as germination. This process is called as germination. The green colored pigment found in the leaves. The green colored pigment present in the leaves. This green colored pigment is known as chlorophyll. This pigment is called as chlorophyll. The part of embryo that grow into roots. The part of embryo having, you know well, two parts, plumule and radicle. Plumule develop into stem. Radicle develop into roots. So radicle develop into roots. Roots क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? Sorry, radicle. Next question. The method of reproduction of plant other than the seed. Seeds के अलावा किसी और पार्ट से न्यू प्लांट जनरेट हो, क्या कहेंगे? Vegetative propagation या vegetative reproduction. Vegetative propagation. Got it? Now name the things required by the plant to make food. Plants require carbon dioxide and water as a raw material in the presence of sunlight and green pigment, chlorophyll. Got it? Where do they get green pigment? Present in the leaves. Sunlight from the sun, water from the soil, and they need one another carbon dioxide through the stomata. carbon dioxide taken from the atmosphere through the stomata. Got it? Next one, why is the process of preparing food by the plant is called as photosynthesis. The leaves of the green plant is known as kitchen of the plant because it is the site of photosynthesis. एक बात. दूसरी बात, the green plants require light, sunlight means photo means sunlight, synthesis means putting together. So this is the synthesis, right? So it is called as photosynthesis. Putting together, पास लाके रखना. Now describe the part of flowers briefly. Diagram, you will draw the diagram of the flower. Now parts. The outermost part is the sepals. Sepals are green in color. They perform photosynthesis. They protect the flower in bud stage. जब ये कली की फॉर्म में होता है, बड स्टेज में होता है, तो इसको फ्लावर को प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम करता है. नेक्स्ट वन, पेटल्स. पेटल्स आर अट्रैक्टिव इन कलर. दे हैविंग प्लेजेंट स्मेल, गुड स्वीट स्मेल्स टू अट्रैक्ट इंसेक्ट्स फॉर पॉलिनेशन. नेक्स्ट वन, stamen. Stamen are the male reproductive part of the plant. It consists two parts, filament and anther. Next, female reproductive part is known as carpel, and carpel consists three parts. Carpel consists this one, carpel, and carpel consists how many parts? Three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stamen bearing two parts, anther and this one is the filament. Got it? Now, what are the conditions for seed germination? To seed germination, the plants require number one, what are the essential conditions for germination? Number one, air, water and warmth. Air, water and warmth. Explain vegetative propagation briefly. The plant body having basically three parts: root, stem and leaves. These parts also known as vegetative part of the body. ठीक है. अब ये पार्ट अगर न्यू प्लांट जनरेट करें तो क्या कहेंगे इसको? वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन. When root develop into a new plant like the carrot, radish. In case of leaves, bryophyllum. The bryophyllum बताया था हमने ऐसा. This is the leaves. This is the leaf of the bryophyllum. And in the leaf, these are at the leaf margins. There are buds develop, and these buds develop into a new plant. Got it? Now, how the reproduction take place in the potato? Potato is the underground stem, and there are eyes or buds develop on the potato, and they develop into a new plant. In same case, the ginger also having some kind of eyes also. And now rose plant, how the rose plant grow from the plant. So when we cut the stem, put in the soil, it develop into a new plant. Got it? Now differences between the taproot and fibrous root, climbers and creepers, you can do well, but I give a brief account to you. Taproot, a kind of root which having a main root and a number of side chains, a number of branches. So such kind of root known as taproot. पीपल, नीम, तुलसी, जो भी हमारे पास आसपास जो नॉर्मल प्लांट्स होता है. नेक्स्ट वन फाइब्रस रूट. सम प्लांट्स हैविंग देयर इज नो मेन रूट, they having a number of branch group of the roots. Such kind of root known as fibrous root. And fibrous root example grass, wheat, rice, maize. Now creepers and climbers both having weak stem, but in case of the creepers the plant body is spread over the ground. Plant body is spread over the ground. In case of the climbers, creepers example pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Next one climbers. Some of these are also having weak stem, but they need support to hold up, climb up. Such kind of the plants are known as climbers. बिटर गार्ड, लौकी. हम लोग कहते हैं हमारे करेले, जितनी भी हमारे जिनमें भी ऐसी होती है. ग्रेप्स जो ऊपर चढ़े जाते हैं, इन सबको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? क्लाइंबर्स. एनुअल, बाइनियल एंड पेरेनियल प्लांट्स. सम ऑफ द प्लांट्स कंप्लीट देयर लाइफ साइकिल इन 1 year और 1 season. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्रॉप्स wheat, rice, sunflower. Biennial plants, some of the plants complete their life cycle in 2 seasons or 2 years. Example potato, carrot. Some plants complete their life cycle in many years. कई सालों तक जीते हैं. और जो कई सालों तक जीने वाले प्लांट्स, हमारा कोकोनट है. हमारे पास में